Hello everyone, today is the third class of Piktochart. Before we start, make sure that you've already watched the first and second class of Piktochart. If you haven't watched it yet, click the link in the description box and don't forget to log into your account first. Now let's start. Open your project first. To open your project, just click Edit. We're going to talk more about basic features. First feature is Design Component. Click Design Component first, and click Timelines. Then click the one that the arrow points to. You might have a problem like this. The timeline overlaps the shrimp. To solve it, click, hold, and drag the timeline downward. After you do that, your timeline is now below the shrimp. Now let's learn more about timelines. First, we'll talk about how to modify elements. Double-click the element you want to modify. For example, I want to change the element 2016. Just double-click it. The frame around it is black now. Double-click again. The frame around it is now blue. If the frame is blue, it means that you can edit it now. Delete the text and type what you want. For example, I delete 2016 and type 2014. You can use the same method to modify our text. When you're in edit mode, there's a toolbar on the top. You can click any tool to edit the component with blue frame around it. Not only the year can be changed, the text in these red rectangles can also be modified. You can use and modify the other two design components, lists and comparisons, just like timelines. Try them yourself. Next, let's learn how to change background. Click Background first. First kind of background is colors. Click the icon here. You will see a list of colors appears. If the color you want is not in the list, click here to see more colors. An area like this appears. You can adjust the color by dragging these two dots. The second kind of background is images. Scroll down to find out more images. To use images as background, just click the image you like, and you'll see that your background turns into the image you clicked. Last, let's learn about text. Click Text first. A list of 5 different types of text appears. Click Title first. A text box appears. To edit it, double-click and press Delete or Backspace to delete text, and then type anything you want. Other 4 types of text can be used the same way. Try them yourself. Under the list of text, there's a feature called Text Frame. Let's take a look at it. Scroll down and find out more text frames. To use text frames, click the one you like. The text frame appears. However, if your text frame overlaps the text you added before, click, hold, and drag to move it downward. Remember this, if you want to change the place of any component, just click the component you want to move. Hold and drag it to a new place you want. To change the text in the text frame, double-click to select text, and double-click again. Then you'll see the color of the frame around the text turns into blue. Just press Delete or Backspace to delete the original text. Then type anything you want. and the text frame is now changed. Alright, you finished today's class. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe us. See you next time.